Hello everyone! Today I am excited to present a short tutorial on how to get started with Serena Reasoning Builder. So, let's dive right in. We'll begin by creating a new project. To do this, simply click on Create Project. A dialog box will appear, asking you to select a directory and name your project. Choose these as per your preference and click Save. Once that's done, click on New Class. If you want to execute your project inside Serena Reasoning Builder, don't forget to select the executable option. To open your newly created class, just click on it. From there, you can modify its properties to suit your needs. For example, you can rename My Class to Program and adjust its properties as required. You can also add multiple methods by clicking Create Method, and you can customize their properties based on your project requirements. Now, let's move on to how you can open or import a pre-saved project. It's simple. Click on Open Project and select the project you want to work on. You can also import C# NuGet packages or other dependencies by clicking Install Packages. There are multiple options available. For example, I'm showing you how to install the package HTML Agility Pack. Next, we'll discuss adding and connecting different functional blocks to your project. It's very straightforward to add blocks. Here's an example. If you want to reference another method in your main method, simply select the method you want, say method 2, and call it in your main method. You can repeat the same steps for method 3. You can then connect them in the sequence you prefer. Similarly, you can add other blocks like the console.writeLine function. Finally, let's talk about compiling and running your program. You can choose to save, compile, or directly run your program. When you run it directly, Serena Reasoning Builder will automatically save, compile, and execute your program for you. And that's it. A simple and easy tutorial to help you get started. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email, through our website, or by leaving a comment below. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!